If you are wondering how you can accept cryptocurrency payments on your online store, then you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide about how you can integrate cryptocurrency payments on your WordPress WooCommerce website. So without wasting time, let's get started. If you check this online store that I have in here, I've added a few items to the cart. So when I go to the cart and I go to checkout, now as you can see, after I've filled in my details, it says pay with cryptocurrency. So I've been able to integrate it here. When I say place order, it takes me to the page where I can make the payment. And as you can see, any user of this website can pay in any of the cryptocurrencies they want, whether in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, in Binance, any cryptocurrency coin that they want to pay in. They just need to come in here and select what they want and proceed to make payment. So let's see how you go about doing this integration. Now, the platform that is going to help us do this integration is called NowPayments. Now, if you head over to their website, nowpayments.io, and you scroll down, you can see they accept a whole lot of payment options when it comes to cryptocurrency. Over 350 crypto coins plus 75 fiat coins. Now, for every transaction that you do, there's a charge of 0.5%. So every transaction that you do, this 0.5% will be going to the NowPayment platform. Now, if you scroll down, this is one of the best crypto payment integrations that you can find online. It has a lot of users, a lot of awards gained, and you can trust this payment provider. So all you need to do is, let's go ahead and get started. Let's create an account in here. So I've already created an account. I will not go through all that account creation process, but you can either use your Gmail or your Google account to create an account in here, or you can go ahead and put in your email, your password, you confirm, and then you accept the terms of service over here, and then you'll be good to go. So once you create your NowPayment account, this is the dashboard that you'll be presented with. So you can see there's a whole lot that you can do with this platform. I'll get to that in a minute. So now let's head over to our WordPress WooCommerce website. So in here, this is our dashboard for our WordPress website. So now all we need to do is go to plugins and then look for NowPayments plugin and install it over here. So you can just go over here, go to add plugin and search for NowPayments. So this is the plugin that we want to use. So just make sure you are selecting the right plugin. And as you can see, it was last updated 2 weeks ago. So this is a very current or very updated plugin. So this is how the icon or the thumbnail that you should see over here. Now go ahead and just install that. I've already installed mine. That is why you don't see the installation icon showing in here. So once you install this plugin, all you need to do is just come over to WooCommerce, and under WooCommerce go to settings. So whilst you're under settings, go to payments, and you should see the NowPayments plugin showing up in here. So now all you need to do now is go to manage. So when you go to manage, you should see this over here as well. Now let's go ahead and enable this. So enable NowPayments. You can leave the enable sandbox. This is when you want to actually do just a test to make sure that the payment will go through on a sandbox environment, on a testing environment before you go live. But let's go ahead and do enable payments now. This show crypto icons and individual pricing. This would actually be for the pro package. So unless you want to go for the pro package, you can actually do that and make pay for this plugin, but we just want to use a free version for now. And this also is a pro feature, so let's go ahead and scroll down. So what we actually need to do now is get our live API key and the live IPN key, secret key, and then we also need our website or webhook URL also. So let's head over to NowPayments again. Now you can see it says generate IPN key, so click on that. Now if you've watched this video up to this point, I'm sure you are getting great value from this channel, but I'll need your help. A lot of people watching these videos do not subscribe to the channel, and this is where you come in. If you're enjoying this video and finding great value on this content, kindly subscribe to this channel and also like this video for the algorithm to push it to a lot more people to benefit. Now let's get back to the tutorial. So I've already generated the key, but once you come in here, you can see a button that says generate key. So once the key is generated, you'll be able to copy that, come back to your website and put the IPN key right in here, IPN secret key. Now for the API key, to get the API key, you need to come over to API keys in here. And then in here too, you can create a new API key. So once that is created, all you need to do is just click on this icon that says copy, come back to your WooCommerce and also paste that also in here. Now the last thing that you need to do is to remember to copy your webhook URL, which is here. Copy this, come to the NowPayment section, and under the IPN key, you need to paste that in here and save this. Now once you finish with this and you come to WooCommerce, to settings, and then to payments again, you should see that your NowPayment is now active. So if you head over to the website or to your website, to the live website, and let's go to the checkout again and put in our details. Now you can see there's the normal payment in here for credit card and mobile money payment. So if you're also looking to integrate mobile money, Visa card, debit card onto your online store also, I have a video in here that shows you how you can actually do this using either Paystack or Flutterwave for this integration, especially if you are in Africa. Now you can see we also have pay with cryptocurrency. So if our user also wants to pay with crypto, they can also do that now. And when they place the order, it will take them over to the NowPayments interface where they can select any crypto coin at all that they want to pay with, and then you will receive a notification of the payment in your email and also on your NowPayments dashboard. Now one thing you also need to note is that whatever coin that users decide to pay you in, it will be converted to your Payout wallet that you indicated on the NowPayments platform. So let me show you what I mean. If you go back to the NowPayments and then you go back to generate IPN key, go to Payout wallet, you can see that I have Bitcoin in here as my main wallet. So whatever payment that I'm receiving will be converted to this wallet for me, or into this coin. The equivalent will be converted in here, and then I can make my withdrawal. So please also note that you also add your main wallet in here and indicate which one should be your main wallet. So all conversions would be sent into that main wallet also for you. Now there are other forms of payment solutions that this NowPayments offers that I would like to let you in on. If you head over to NowPayments on the dashboard, if you go to payment solutions, you can see that they have about 4 payment solutions that you can also use to collect cryptocurrency payments. Now the first one is payments. Now this helps you create a payment link that you can either send to your customers via email or through WhatsApp or Telegram. Now, once they click on this link, they will be presented with this same interface for payments that you just saw, and they can directly make payment into your crypto wallet. Now, the next one they have in here is for donations. So maybe if you're running a charity or a foundation where you want people to be able to donate to you, you can simply integrate a donation widget or budget or a link, and also share with people who want to donate to your foundation or to your charity. So in here, you can even specify the amount in any of the cryptocurrencies over here, and you can just copy this code in here and put it onto your website or anywhere that you want to, or you want people to donate to you. Now, there's also a subscription link. Now, this is when you are running a subscription service. You can also do that, create various plans in here and have users subscribe to any of your plans on your website if you're running such a service. And also there's a POS Terminal Link where you can also create a QR code for yourself. Maybe you run a shop, or you want people to be able to scan this code and be able to also pay into your crypto wallet. You can also do that very same transaction over here. So NowPayments is a very good tool that you can use to accept all forms of payments, whether through a link, a donation, a subscription, or a POS terminal link. Now, this is a very simple way you can use NowPayment to accept crypto payments on your online store. But I know there are other payment gateways out there, such as Coinbase Commerce or BitPay. Now, I would like to know whether you've used any of these payment gateways before and how it's going for you so far. Let me also know in the comment section which crypto payment gateway you think is the best in 2026. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.